Before you can upgrade your phone with Cricket Wireless, you need to meet specific eligibility requirements and understand the associated fees. There are 5 key requirements you must meet to be eligible for a phone upgrade with Cricket Wireless. First, you need an active Cricket Wireless account that has been active for a specific period of time. Second, your monthly plan must cost $30 or more. For example, the Cricket Sensible 10 GB plan costs $35 per month. Third, the phone you're upgrading to must be new and purchased directly from Cricket Wireless, either online or in-store. Fourth, you can only upgrade once every 365 days, so plan your upgrade timing carefully. Finally, your account must be in good standing with no outstanding balances or past due payments. There is a $25 device upgrade fee that applies to all phone upgrades, whether you upgrade online or visit a Cricket store. Here's an example of a qualifying plan. The Cricket Sensible plan with 10 gigabytes of data meets the minimum $30 requirement for upgrade eligibility. Before proceeding with your upgrade, make sure you meet all eligibility requirements, budget for the $25 fee, and ensure your account is in good standing. Cricket Wireless offers 2 convenient ways to upgrade your phone. You can upgrade online through your account or visit a Cricket store for in-person assistance. The online method allows you to upgrade from the comfort of your home, while the in-store option provides personal assistance from Cricket staff members. To upgrade online, start by logging into your Cricket account. Then select the phone line you want to upgrade, and finally choose your new phone from the available options. For in-store upgrades, visit any Cricket Wireless location where trained staff members will assist you throughout the entire upgrade process, providing personal guidance and immediate support. After receiving your new phone, activation is simple. Insert the new SIM card into your device and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Cricket Wireless frequently offers promotions and discounts on new devices, especially for customers upgrading their phones. Popular models like the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G often feature special upgrade deals and bundle offers. Whether you choose to upgrade online or in-store, Cricket makes the process straightforward with helpful tools, expert assistance, and attractive deals on the latest smartphones.